G'day guys, heading out this morning to test out a small but potentially very useful bit of kit. Have it here in the black bag. I'll show you shortly what it is. Anyone who's seen the Epic Drives and the Seek Adventure channel in the last few weeks has probably seen one of these things on it. That's where we saw it, and I decided to get one and give it a good test. Now, I'm not exactly light. What is it? It's a little step to put on your four-wheel drive to help you get up onto the roof rack. Looks useful, but let's face it, the other guys are not the same kind of weight I am. So we're going to test this for the first time with some real weight on it, and we're going to see how good it is. Comes with a nice little pouch. It's a very simple device. Pretty solid looking metal construction. It's a nice compact little unit. What happens is the hook goes up and hooks onto your door latch. Now, door latches are very solidly constructed. They have certain standards applied to them, and I believe they're supposed to take about 250 kilos, so the door latch itself shouldn't be a problem. But we're about to test this for the first time and see if it'll take my weight. Now, I am pretty hefty. If I don't have a problem with this, then I suggest that it's going to be pretty safe for everybody, so we're just going to test that out now. You'll note that they've put a rubber backing on this that protects your paintwork, and we'll see just how strong this is now. Okay, well, I've been up and down on it a few times now. Seems to me to be pretty solid. Now, I'm 120 kilos plus, so it's not really going to have a problem with people who are lightweight, I don't think. We'll wait and see over time whether it has any problems with me hopping up and down on it on various trips, but at the moment I can definitely say that feels pretty solid. Okay, so that gave it a fairly reasonable sort of test. Conclusion is that it's not going to snap off. What will happen over time, we're really only going to find out as we use it long term. But it seems like a useful little device. It certainly allows you to get up on top of the vehicle easily. You don't have to carry a step ladder with you, so it gives you a bit more reach than you would normally have. Very easy to throw in your kit. Take it with you wherever you're going. If you've got a roof rack, you need to get up on top of the 4x4. Quite a useful little device. I think I can recommend that at the moment. We'll see how its longevity is, so how long it lasts, and whether it ever does have a problem or whether it causes a problem with the latch. I don't think it will. They're very solidly built as well. It seems to have a very solid pin through the middle of it, so I don't think it's going to be any issues with these things. If it takes my weight, it's certainly going to take pretty well everybody else's weight, I think.